Back with another cooking result. Rather than doing 4 odd videos, this time I just did one. So what we have here is a little bit of fresh orange juice, some Ribena, and some apple and blackcurrant cordial with some water that had filtered water with cucumber, lemon and lime juice in it. And here we have like a korma curry with carrots, potatoes, brown rice, even apples that I needed using up, cooking apple, korma sauce. It's got curry sauce in it and stuff. Corn pieces, corn chicken pieces, mushrooms, frozen veg. It's got the lot. Well, the carrots cost me like 37 pence and I only used half of them, which is why I always say go for carrots. So let's give it a try. Yeah, nice. Korma. Last time I tried making this, I put a tin of peeled tomatoes in, peeled plum tomatoes, and it really took the taste of the korma away. So this time I didn't, and it tastes a lot more like a korma. I've also put things like cinnamon in there, turmeric, ginger, coriander, herbs and spices, a bit of veg mix as well. Takes about 50 minutes. Lentils as well. Yeah, it's really easy to do. Generally, put your oil in first for a little bit, then put your onions in. I used frozen onions to save on waste. Stir that up a little bit and then start adding your veg. Leave it for about 40 minutes or 30 minutes. Then cook your rice for 20 minutes. And in the last 10 minutes, so after 40 minutes, add your herbs and spices and add your sauce. I use korma sauce. You can use various ones, whatever you want really. Sweet and sour, pasta sauce, all sorts. It's whatever you like the taste of. I recommend using brown rice because you get more fibre and it's a lot better for you than white rice. Anyway, how much do I reckon this costs? Hard to tell. I mean, for me, 37 pence for the carrots, which I used half of. I used potatoes that I got from my dad, so they were free. The rice didn't cost much. And a lot of the other ingredients didn't really cost much at all. How much per dish? I reckon I'll probably get about 6 to 8 dishes out of this. Just gonna say 50, 60 pence. A dish could be less. You certainly won't cost you more than a pound a meal, I would say. Okay, Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell and all that gubbins if you're on TikTok like this, because no one ever does. Okay, I'll see you for another video.